Hello and thank you for watching the sixth lesson of chapter 3, which is 3.6. It's our lab to install Wireshark. In this lesson, I will demonstrate for you how to download and install Wireshark. Now, what is this Wireshark that all networking people are talking about? Well, Wireshark is a software protocol analyzer or packet sniffer application that will switch your network interface card into promiscuous mode. That means that any packet coming in or out of your network card, it's going to take a copy. It's going to record them. And we can use that information for troubleshooting, education, or even they use it for protocol development. So you, as a CCNA student, definitely have to download Wireshark. Download it and use it. Now, Wireshark, you can use it in your production network or your live network for troubleshooting, for inspecting what type of packets are coming in. But that's not the way you're going to learn, because there's going to be so many packets. If you run the Wireshark in your live network, there's going to be so many packets. And it's hard to learn like that. The best way is what we're going to do in the next lesson. We're going to set up a small network and we're going to learn that way. Easier. Okay, so download the Wireshark and install it. We're just going to need one PC for this lab, and I've got one PC already. A brand new PC installed on the VMware. So I'll restore this virtual machine. I've used this machine to demonstrate how to download other stuff like GNS and VMware and so on. But for this download, all we're gonna do is just open a browser, and then in the browser, I'm just gonna type Wireshark. And then you're gonna start downloading after this. So I agree here. And you see you have an ad from SolarWinds, but no, you go straight to the Wireshark and just go click on the Wireshark and then click on the download. See, they make it a lot easier to download. Okay, here you will have few options. Let me mark these ones. For example, you have to choose, do you want 64-bit, Windows installer 32-bit, portable, Mac OS, or secure code, for example. And the latest one, as of today, 340. So today is, well, 11th of November. Sorry, 20th of November. 340 is the latest one. So you need to find out what is the operating system to download the correct version, right? For me, let me show you. So if I click on the start button, then right click the computer. So I'm just going to right click here and select properties. And then I can see what is my system, right? So you can see under system type here that my system is a 64-bit operating system. So since it's 64-bit, I'm going to have to pick the first one here. All right. So I'll click on the first. I'll see a download. This download is quite fast, so I don't have to speed up the video. You should just wait a few seconds. And it's gonna go download it on the download folder. You can just click on it and it will start the installation, right? It will flash. Once it's finished downloading, it will start flashing. There we go. It's finished downloading. I can just click on it and it will start installation, or I can find out where it is, show in the folder, maybe take a copy, store it somewhere for backup for future. So just click on it and should start installation. There we go. Yes. Now the installation is straightforward. Next, 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 and so on. But I want you to pay attention at few places where we need to maybe tweak a little bit. Yeah. So click next here. License agreement, yes. Nodes, sorry, choose components, next here. Additional task, yep, next, next, next. Because I have USB PCAP version installed, I don't need it, but if you don't, it will be ticked and just click install anyway. Okay, so NPCAP setup, yeah, I agree here. Now you do need to set up here because it's not default, so you need to tick those two options. It's up to you whether you want a legacy. It's up to you whether you want to restrict the NPCAP to the administrator only. But when I do installation, you need to tick this one definitely. And if you want to support the wireless, for example, click on this one. So those two need to be ticked. All right. So let me do that and tick on that and tick on that and then click install. Right, the rest of the installation is just straightforward. Click next, next, and up to the finish. Okay, it's finished installing. So click next and finish. Show news is up to you if you want to see the news. Finish here. So I need to close this. I can close this browser. I don't need it anymore. Close this and then click start and the Wireshark will be there. So I'll start it and we're just going to look at a few things, and then on the next lesson I will demonstrate all the packets, how we're going to capture and everything. But you can see here I have few adapters here, right? And you can see the one that actually is you want to capture data is from local area connection. You can see like the hard squiggle. You can see that is there. It's actually getting some data coming. So if I do a capture, then I go to option. I can select the local area network and then I can click start here. And then it's going to start capturing packets. Right, we're going to look a bit more in the next lesson, all the packets that are coming in. Right, so that's it for this lesson. So let me stop this, stop without quitting, and put this on the pause. Excellent. Thank you for watching lesson 3.6 was our lab to install the Wireshark. This is of chapter 3 protocols and models. Please have a look at my other videos and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel to stay up to date. This has been Astrid Krasniqi. Bye bye.